Hello again, toy car collectors. Hope everybody's doing well out there. So guess what I'm going to talk about in this video? I'm going to talk about Volkswagens. And I have 24 variations of the different castings of the Matchbox Volkswagen 4x4 Beetle. So let's start looking. And I'm going to start in the back here with this yellow one with the horrible wheels, because this is one of the early versions that had the opening hood. Well, it doesn't seem to want to open very far. The earlier versions had the light bar. So there's number one. Here's a later version of the one with the light bar, which does not have the opening front hood. That's number two. Number three, we got another one with the opening hood. Very nice. Even have the two colors on the light bar, which really helps if you're gonna do a light bar. An opening hood on that guy. Number three. There's another one in yellow. Got one in red. A white one. Now I'm very partial to Volkswagens. They're just so much part of my my young existence. My parents had VW vans. I had Bugs. My other brother had Bugs. He even had a VW wagon. So a good friend of mine had a Baja. And so I'm just a sucker for Bugs. Whenever I see them, I pretty much got to get them. And they got one more with the light bar, which is my favorite of all the ones with the light bar, which is sort of a military looking one. Yeah, that one really works for me. So much to the credit of Matchbox, they retooled this and ditched the light bar, redid the base, and just a much better looking vehicle, much better wheels. you know, much better graphics on a lot of these more recent versions. We've actually retooled this thing twice. And truthfully, the more recent version is a better version. I'll explain why here in a minute. Let me just show some of these cars real quick. This one I found recently at Target, about a month ago. Target Retro Series. And then the one that was released prior to that one was this one with the Dots Candy graphics. Got a little bit of a flying tiger thing going with this one. So pretty cool. Got a little bit of mud splatter on that one. There's the Golf one out of the 5-pack. Which is the newer, most recent tooling. So I'm going to set that aside for a minute. Got the national parks. Very cool. I like that color green. I like this one too. Really nice. Let me set that one aside for a minute. Awesome. All right. So that's it. 24 variations of the different Volkswagen 4x4 Beetle, including the different toolings. I did want to point out one thing. So here's a look at the base on the, which is the retooling that they did after they got rid of the light bar. which was done about '06. And the more recent one, the base is different. And one good thing that they did on the more recent version, if you look at this '06 version, there's no steering wheel in this '06 version, okay? But there is one in the more recent casting. So that's a lot of bugs, folks. I don't know why I keep buying them, but I do. Thanks for watching.